Welcome back to my channel. If you're new to my channel, make sure you subscribe, hit that notifications bell. So today is a travel day. Sorry guys, someone called me. I'm actually vlogging off my phone. The camera is over here on the seat and I got some like activities planned. I'm like, I don't know if I should bring all my vlogging equipment because I have, you know, the 11. I'm like, okay, I could just vlog off my phone. Then I'm like, should I bring my regular vlogging camera? Should I bring the new camera we got? Should I bring my GoPro? And I'm like, okay, the GoPro's not really necessary. So I came up with bringing this and my regular vlogging camera. So the question is, I am going on a helicopter ride tomorrow with Gabby. So I'm like, dang, should I bring this one up there or my vlogging camera? And I know Gabby's gonna be like, no, bring this one. Anyways, guys, I have some runs to make before I fly out. My flight is not until 6. So, yeah. I hope I'm in the terminal with Chicky and Pete's because I really want some of those fries. Anyways, I'll see you guys at the Alright guys, we are approaching, look at the jets. We are approaching the strip. So I'm super excited. Y'all hear the sound of that? I'm so freaking excited.
Turn left onto Northwest 42nd Avenue. Then the destination is on your left.
Alright guys, I'm here. I had to leave my big camera in the car. They said it would mess up the weight of the plane or something. I don't know. So I'm just gonna be vlogging this off my phone. So we just did the this 3-minute safety video. Now I'm in a waiting room. About to go up. Like, legit, it was fun. When we were first going up, I got nervous. I think I just realized I'm really afraid of heights. Like, there's no ifs, ands, or buts about it. Heights are not for me, you know? And that's just that, because when we first started going up, I don't think I was recording my face. I was like, and then my heart started pounding real fast. I was like, oh my gosh. But that's something that I always wanted to do. Like, I've always wanted to go on a helicopter